Everyone, I hope you're all well and isolating and coping okay. So this video is going to be a bit different. I just want to be helpful and give you tips and tricks to help you get through this. So this is for all the people that are worried about running out of toilet paper, or have maybe already run out of toilet paper, or just want to be a bit more eco-friendly. So all I'm using is an old towel. You could use some soft fabric, fleece, or an old t-shirt even. Yeah. So all you need to do, if you find an old towel or some old fabric, some soft fabric, could be an old t-shirt even, and then you can cut it into squares. So I'm just going to, just like sort of flannels. So I'm just going to, let's cut the whole strip. You could also use these as nappy liners, face wipes, you know, maybe make them a bit smaller for makeup remover, pads. So obviously it doesn't have to be super even or anything. It's just to wipe yourself with. Right. So I'm just going to do these 3 squares, and then basically, you know, have them by the toilet, and then once you've used them, you could even wet them before you use them, and then have a little bowl ready with bleach in it, and then just pop them in there after they've been used, and then with your washing you can pop the dirty ones in. Yeah, so don't worry about anything. We have to all stay positive. Everyone's in the same boat and we can get through. The most important thing is that your family is safe. Yeah, so just stay home and find stuff to do. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. Take care, and I'll try and post some more tips for you. Bye.